Welcome to a world most people only dream about, where every doorway reveals grandeur and every step is shrouded in luxury. Today, we're going inside a billionaire mansion, a cinematic journey through opulence, design, and unmatched lifestyle. A place where architecture becomes art and living becomes legend. This isn't just a house, it's a statement. Massive iron gates open onto a sweeping driveway lined with perfectly manicured gardens and rare sculptures. A fleet of luxury vehicles rests under bespoke carports, each more impressive than the last. This is the type of entrance that makes jaws drop and cameras linger. Step inside, and immediately you feel it. The scale, the light, the sheer sophistication. Towering ceilings anchored by exquisite chandeliers cast a warm glow over Italian marble floors. Every detail here has been curated, from the hand-carved staircase to the custom artwork that graces every wall. This is design elevated to an experience. The living rooms are open, airy, and framed with floor-to-ceiling windows, offering views that stretch toward infinity. Plush seating clusters invite conversation, while rare objet d'art, priceless sculptures, one-of-a-kind installations punctuate the space with grace and exclusivity. Zero expense was spared, and zero corner felt ordinary. And then, the heart of the mansion, the kitchen. Not just where meals are prepared, but where dreams are realized. A space this size would dwarf the living rooms of most homes. Professional-grade appliances, dual islands, and bespoke cabinetry blend form and function. Hidden wine cellars, illuminated by LED lighting, hold thousands of bottles from the world's finest vineyards, a collector's paradise. This mansion boasts suites worthy of their own zip codes. Each bedroom is a sanctuary, with private balconies, spa bathrooms, and panoramic views that rival top hotels. The master suite? Imagine a space with multiple closets, a lounging area, private study, and a bath so expansive it feels like a luxury spa. Soft ambient lighting, rare tiles, and finishes that shimmer subtly. This is comfort redefined. Downstairs, it gets even more extraordinary. A private cinema with reclining seats and surround sound awaits for film nights fit for royalty. A fully equipped gym rivaling boutique fitness studios ensures wellness is never compromised. Nearby, a bowling alley, gaming lounge, and private wine tasting room transform downtime into an event worth remembering. Step outside and the magic continues. Infinity pools shimmer under the sun, flanked by cabanas and fire pits, all overlooking panoramic landscapes sculpted to perfection. Hidden gardens, koi ponds, and private courtyards offer serene escapes amid the splendor. And when it's time to entertain on the grandest scale, expansive patios and gourmet outdoor kitchens make every party legendary. But luxury isn't just about beauty, it's about precision. This mansion is equipped with the latest in smart home technology. Automated lighting, climate control, entertainment systems, all operable with a touch or voice command. Security is uncompromising, blending discretion with state-of-the-art surveillance, so privacy remains paramount. This is more than rare. It's a testament to what's possible when creativity meets unlimited resources. A realm where design, comfort, and innovation coexist in every corner. This is the cinematic billionaire lifestyle. Breathtaking, incomparable, and utterly unforgettable. Thanks for joining this exclusive tour. If you enjoyed this inside look, like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, which feature would you want in your own dream mansion?